Welcome back to Autoscope. External design of the Maserati Motorhome 2026. Aerodynamic appearance. Unlike ordinary motorhomes, which have a boxy shape, the Maserati Motorhome will have a sleek and aerodynamic appearance. Adaptable LED lighting. Sleek, adaptable matrix LED headlights will go nicely with the body design. Innovative features. Huge, hidden panoramic windows will provide expansive vistas without detracting from the outside aspect. Signature Maserati grille. The Maserati Trident will be positioned in the middle of the large grille that will be the focal point of the front end. Stylish interior and matched materials. The entire inside will be finished using the best materials available. Driver's cockpit. The cockpit will look like a private jet with its massive infotainment and digital instrument screens. High-end stainless steel equipment such as a full-size refrigerator, freezer, convection oven, and induction cooktop, granite or marble surfaces, and clever storage systems are examples of kitchen amenities. Master bedroom. The master bedroom will have a king-size bed, ambient lighting, and adjustable LED ambient lighting system. Dual-zone climate system. Dual-zone automated climate control will ensure that the RV has pleasant temperatures. Engine and drivetrain performance. Maserati engine. This vehicle will employ the same V6 Nettuno twin-turbo engine as the MC2 and is intended for usage as a motorhome or possibly as a powerful plug-in hybrid powertrain for efficiency and power. Smooth transmission. An incredibly smooth 8-speed automatic transmission ensures nearly indetectable gear changes and optimal fuel efficiency. Adaptive suspension. An adaptive air suspension system allows for real-time height and stiffness modifications. Drivetrain. An intelligent all-wheel drive AWD system is most likely to be utilized for optimal traction in a variety of weather conditions and terrain. The function of smart home automation control every aspect of the RV, such as the lighting, blinds, entertainment, and temperature via voice commands or smartphone apps. Equipped with 360-degree video camera.